Have you ever wondered why Japanese people, especially women, seem to maintain a youthful, fresh, and balanced look? And why Japan has one of the longest life expectancies in the world? Well, a big part of the secret lies in their diet. Today, we're diving deep into the traditional Japanese diet, a natural, wholesome, and mindful way of eating that not only supports weight loss, but also enhances overall health and longevity. So, if you're looking for a sustainable way to stay fit and feel amazing, keep watching. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is the traditional Japanese diet? The fundamentals of this diet are simple and focus on eating minimally processed, fresh, and seasonal ingredients, avoiding excess salt, sugar, artificial additives, and unhealthy fats, including whole foods in their natural form, consuming small portion sizes and eating mindfully. A typical meal follows the soup and three rule, meaning one main protein-rich dish, two vegetable side dishes, and a bowl of soup. This way, your plate is always balanced and rich in nutrients. Now, let's talk about the best foods to eat on a Japanese diet for weight loss. You don't have to go all in on Japanese cuisine. You can find most of these foods in your local grocery store. Here are some great options to include: fresh fruits and vegetables, all kinds of seafood like fish, shrimp, mussels, and seaweed, soy foods, tofu, miso, tamari, and edamame, rice or noodles cooked with minimal fat and paired with vegetable broth, herbal teas like green tea or kombucha. You can also enjoy traditional favorites like sushi, miso soup, and udon. Just remember, fresh, properly prepared, and in small portions. And here's an interesting part. The Japanese follow the principle of eating with your eyes first. This means taking time to beautifully present your food, making meals a delightful and mindful experience. It's all about quality over quantity. So, how do you follow this diet in your daily life? The key is balance and mindfulness. You don't have to restrict yourself or go hungry, just make smarter choices. Your meals can include a bowl of nourishing soup, a protein source like fish, seafood, or tofu, fresh steamed or pickled vegetables as sides, a portion of rice or noodles, and a soothing cup of unsweetened tea. Also, don't forget to stay hydrated. Drinking at least 8 cups of water a day helps flush toxins, reduce bloating, and keep your skin glowing. Now, let's talk about the amazing health benefits of the Japanese diet. It's not just about weight loss, it's about long-term well-being. By following this diet, you can promote cellular health with antioxidants from seaweed, green tea, and vegetables, improve digestion with probiotic-rich fermented foods like miso and pickled veggies, protect your heart by reducing salt, sugar, and unhealthy fats, maintain a healthy weight naturally without crash dieting, reduce the risk of diseases like diabetes, Alzheimer's, and even certain cancers. The best part? The Japanese diet isn't a quick fix weight loss plan, it's a sustainable lifestyle choice. By making small, mindful changes in your eating habits, you'll not only achieve a balanced weight, but also feel more energized, refreshed, and vibrant. So, why not give it a try? Start by incorporating some of these healthy habits into your meals and let me know how you feel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who might enjoy this journey too. Until next time, eat well, stay healthy, and enjoy your food the Japanese way.